Professor Pramod Bala from Amity University and Advisor Jacks Foundation has played a major founding role since the beginning of the Jacks Foundation. She has been with us in all the ups and downs right from the start. Her constant support, encouragement and guidance has helped Jacks Foundation to achieve great heights. She also always encouraged youth empowerment as well as supported them mentally and emotionally by her mentoring at every step. Been an honor to be under her umbrella. We are all blessed to have her here today among us. She is professor working in Amity Institute of Biotechnology, Amity University, who has more than 23 years of teaching and research experience. She has published more than 50 research papers and reviews. Currently, she is running more than 3 government-funded projects and guiding more than 6 PhD students, and 3 of them have already awarded. She has filed more than 18 patents in the field of biotechnology. She is a member of various eminent societies, and also she has recently achieved SAS Best Faculty Award 2020. Now I kindly invite Kumud ma'am to give her words of wisdom about the program and the foundation. The stage is all yours, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mohini, and welcome to all the participants. A very good afternoon to everyone, Honorable Minister, all the dignitaries present in the summit, participants and delegates of the National Summit 2020 on Innovation in Psychology Era. It is an absolute honor to be here today. National Summit on Innovation in Psychology Era is inspired by the idea of United Nations Development Programme of Sustainable Development Goals 2030 that emphasizes the idea of continuous contribution and innovations. Other than that, it is also emphasized from the idea of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi 8-point vision for the 21st century India and unite the entire country for adopting good governance and using technology. The National Summit 2020 would help us on a massive scale, which would benefit young minds in several ways. The summit would provide an opportunity for research interaction, privilege for young researchers to learn and expand knowledge. Professional speakers, academicians, practitioners, and the government officials for sharing their ideas pertaining the application of psychology research and innovation. JACS Foundation is an international organization supported by BRICS International Forum and recognized by Government of India under the Indian Trust Act 1882. It is working for the society, for the welfare of young generation and promoting social or political change and play a critical role in developing society, improving communities and promoting citizen participation for fulfilling their basically fulfilling the dreams of the youngsters. JACS Foundation has joined hand with National Association of Psychology Science India. This is an endeavor for the development, representation, and advancement of different areas of psychology science. The aim of the association is to promote, advance, and disseminate the interest of scientifically oriented psychology research and application for benefit of an individual and societal concern. This national summit will provide the platform for the scholarly exchange research in different areas of psychology research, basically. The main objective of the summit are to provide a common platform for the academician basically, then the researchers, practitioner, and the government official to share their ideas pertaining to application of psychology. Also to facilitate academic deliberation as how to further the core objective of psychology operating and enhance the overall human experience and quality of life. It would not be better to regulate today the summit and amid this pandemic situation where we all basically need a mental stability. The toll of uncertain outbreak of COVID-19 has psychologically affected so many people around the world within the 4 walls. We are lucky enough to have internet services as a luxury source to propagate our ideas, regulate our awareness, program, share opinion, and help one another, even though we are distantly placed. I would like to encourage all the delegates to participate with full enthusiasm and wish everyone a successful, safe, and fruitful summit. Now I would like to welcome Chief Guest and Honorable Minister Sri Ramdas Bandhu Athawale, who is an Indian politician and social activist from Maharashtra. He is the President of the Republican Party of India, a splinter group of the Republican Party of India, and has its root in the Scheduled Caste Federation led by B.R. Ambedkar. Currently, he is Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment in the Sri Narendra Modi government and represent Maharashtra in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of India's parliament. Now, previously he was the Lok Sabha MP from Pandharpur. Please, sir, I invite you for your speech.